Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am here with a new topic, and this is demonstrative pronouns. Demonstrative pronouns is a pronoun that points towards the noun it replaces, indicating it in time, space, and distance. It can be singular or a plural. What are demonstrative pronouns? Demonstrative pronouns are this, that, these, and those. When used to represent a thing or things, demonstrative pronouns can be either near or far, in distance or time. Near in time or distance, demonstrative pronouns use this and these. For singular, it will be used this, and for the plural, these will be used. For far in time or spoken, far in time or distance, here it will be used that and those. Alright. Common use of demonstrative pronouns. These are obedient children. These are obedient children. Here, this is a word of plural. Like these are obedient children means this is plural. This is my father's suit. Here, this is a singular form. Alex selected that. This is also a what? This is also a demonstrative pronoun. That may take some time to finish. That here is a demonstrative pronoun. Tess, would you please send this? This here is a demonstrative pronoun. Now there is a differences between demonstrative pronoun and demonstrative adjectives. Demonstrative pronoun and demonstrative adjectives are similar, as both of them use similar words for each other. The difference between them is that demonstrative pronouns replace noun, means demonstrative pronoun and demonstrative adjectives, both of them are same, like this, that, these, those. These all are demonstrative pronoun and as well as demonstrative adjectives too. This, that, these, and those. So how can we identify whether these are demonstrative pronoun or these are adjective pronouns? How can we recognize them? How can we differentiate between both of these two pronouns? For example, this looks like a wonderful car that I would drive. These are comfortable shoes, however, do not look so. So here, in these lines, this and these are demonstrative pronouns replacing the noun, car and shoes. Look, here this is referring to the car. This is referring to this car. So here, this looks like a wonderful car. So here this is referring to this car. So this is a demonstrative pronoun because it is using the replace of noun. These are comfortable shoes. These here, these are referring to this shoes. So here these is demonstrative pronoun. It is using replace of noun, so that is why this is called demonstrative pronoun, right? In the same demonstrative adjectives. However, demonstrative adjectives are also known as demonstrative determiners, which comes before noun but do not replace them. For instance, this building is old. These sandwiches are delicious. Here, this and these are demonstrative adjectives coming before noun. Means अब यहाँ पर आप लोग देखें, you can see that कि this and these यहाँ पर आ रहा है before noun. So here that is why this is called demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjective used before noun. This is noun. Building is what? Building is noun, and we are using here this. So here this is a demonstrative adjective. And sandwiches, this is noun, and this is these. So here these is a demonstrative adjective. यहाँ पर this and these ये काम कर रहा है demonstrative adjective का, because it is coming before noun. Building is a noun and sandwiches are noun. So these both are noun. That is why we are using here this, and here we are using these. Like before noun, if it comes, so this is called demonstrative adjective. But in place of noun, means replace of noun, if we use, so that is at that time it will call demonstrative pronoun. Alright, is it clear? This, that, these and those, these all are what? These all are demonstrative pronouns and demonstrative adjectives too. But how can we differentiate them? We can just difference them in this way, that if it comes before noun, so it will call demonstrative adjective. But if it will be used in replace of noun, so it will call demonstrative pronoun. Hopefully it will be clear to all of you.